Are you a trader that be looking for the best forex broker to trade with? Or maybe you're a beginner trader that be searching for the best forex broker to trade with in 2025? So right in the video, I want to show you guys the best forex broker to trade with in 2025. I will show you guys by heading over to my browser and show you guys this particular broker right on my screen. So the broker I trade with is called Exness. So this broker is very perfect for you as a beginner trader or as a trader. So as you can see, you can just, if you have an account, you can sign in. If you don't have an account, you simply register. And as well, it has try free demo. You can just try for free. Just create the accounts and be trading demo. You can see that. You can just trade demo, or you can create a real account to trade real money. You can see that. It's very easy to register. Just register and just confirm with your ID, your passport, or any national ID you have. So it's very easy to sign up. So as you can see, now let me show you the features that this broker have that made it one of the best brokers to trade with. You can see that it has instant withdrawals. It has the best spread on good, the best spread on good. You can see that. And as well, you have a live support. And let me also show you. It has an extra fast execution and ultra fast execution. You can see that. No overnight fees. You can see that. No overnight fees. So you can swing trade. You can hold your trade up to 2 days, 3 days, 5 days. They will not charge you any fee. You can see that. Other brokers charge fee whenever you hold a trade till the next day. So we then take up to like 0.30 cents each time you swing trade. You can see that. So this broker don't charge any fee. You can see that. Now you can see it's also reliable. It's trustworthy, a reliable platform. You can see that. So it's very nice for you as a trader. So consider trading with this kind of broker. Consider trading with this particular broker because it's very nice, low spread. This is one of the things that 99% of traders need in order to trade very comfortably in the market. You can see that. So you can see you can trade all kinds of assets, starting from gold, oil, and currency, and as well US oil and stocks. You can trade. You can see that. So you can trade metals, energies, currencies, indices, and stocks. You can see that. So you can just register or try free demo. You can see that. So now you have size every opportunity, trade online, anything, anywhere. It's available on web, mobile, and desktop. So you can just try for free. You can use MT5, or you can use the Exness terminal, or you can use the Exness trade app. You can see that it has its own trading app, or you can as well use the Exness terminal. And so you can see that very nice, very comfortable. So it has a very high security. Your security is our priority. You can see that. So it's very nice and reliable. So you don't have any fear on this broker. It's a well-regulated broker. So you can see that. So like I said, you can see all the features. Very nice. See that Exness advantage, better spread means better trading opportunity. So you can see that. So spread, having a very low spread is very nice for you as a beginner. If you want to trade, for you to understand forex trading very quickly, you need a broker that has a very low spread. You can see that. You need a broker that has a very low spread to understand forex very quickly, guys. So check it out with the link in the description. The link will be down in the description. Just simply use my link to sign up, and you can as well have a sign up bonus. Once you sign up with my link, you have a sign up bonus. So just sign up and get the bonus. So as you can see, trade with a trusted broker today. You can see that over 1 million traders and 64 partners on this particular broker. So you can trade. You can join the 1 million. So you can join the 1 million traders that are trading currently on this broker. So this is a well-trusted broker. You can see the amount of people trading in this particular broker. So it's very nice. So check it out with the link down in the description to start trading with this particular broker. Just register completely for free, or you can simply try for free to know how the broker is. So guys, the link will be down in the description. Sign up and start trading in the go. Start trading with one of the best broker in 2025. So thank you for watching. See you all on another video, guys. Peace out.